for you. Loneliness was all I felt. Didn't wanna fall in love no more. Was so sad.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we're Majestic Love. So today we will be doing the try not to dance or sing challenge. So we're gonna be playing some of our favorite songs, and I guess we're not supposed to either sing or dance. Okay, baby, how hard is this for you?
I'm gonna win. It's gonna be easy.
Oh no, you're not. So you're gonna select some songs and I'm gonna select some songs. We're gonna do about 5 in total. No, actually, baby, let's even it out. What do you think?
5 each.
No, 5 each is too long. Maybe 6 in total. 3 for you and 3 for me.
Okay.
All right. So stay tuned.
This is my first pick. Movie star, Vibes Cartel.
All right. Babe, you're out. You're out. You move.
Me can't move.
No, babe. No, you're not supposed. None of us is supposed to move.
We never know where I can start to.
You wanna start over?
Yeah, we never
okay.
know.
You already started moving, guys.
No,
so.
we never know. Say.
All right. Nobody can move or sing. That's the whole point of it.
Okay.
So you gotta start a new song then.
No, same song.
Same song. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Chini Motion Pictures presents Flash, flash and film it. Flash, flash and film it. Flash, flash and film it. And it's like a movie. Girl, you a star the show. Baby girl, oh, your mind so groovy. You deny me like America. Your love me no want you losing. No girl want you to deny leave. But that you alone get me groovy. Me alone have face the music. No, baby, wait.
Oh, he's out, y'all. 1 point down for you. Shit. My next song now. What that song the name, baby? Custom, man. Oh, daddy want it name. That's my thing. Alright, so let's see.
This is not fair.
This is his song. Baby, looking at the camera.
You know, see them are just come. The 6 them put up their custom.
Set your body around so people can see you.
The 6 them put up their custom. Then them done. Yeah, custom whip. Man push a girl. Man puff them and see the chest. Man I lie.
No, I didn't do anything.
When I just cut them young, who they gas them a musty pet. Come and catch you next every fever. Me have this thing club. We don't know man like don't sing just 6 minutes. I did. That's how me.
All right, move on to the next song. That wasn't hard for me because I don't care.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, me I get to know.
Yeah, turn up the heat.
Sure, me I
I
get to
see
know.
you. I see you.
Sure, me I
But
get
I'm
to know.
determined. Oh Lord. Baby, stop looking at you.
I try to do it. You lose.
Hey, when you see you, that's you say, Bola. Hey.
Your turn.
You want it, baby. So 1 for
Your
me,
turn.
1 for you.
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see which one you like. Most girls love me so. What that song the name again?
Not today. Can't we go up with no?
No, what name again?
Go react to that, something don't tell them.
Timeless. Let's see if that's what it is. Is that it? Some say, oh, you're ugly, so.
Samir Sadan. Timeless, timeless.
Ah!
Timeless. Ask him. Ask him. You know. Ask him why you keep on doing it.
Yo, this song, yo. Master Cartel from day 1, sir. This African.
So you got 2 down.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So my last one.
Really no. Don't nobody gonna dance to this?
Couple dog, man, know that ain't for me. Better say no, better say loyalty before you fuck with the family. Just try to
Already, man.
If you gonna bring one of the bread and then you have to bring
No, this
hey. After all, Courtney just a wave for the car. 4 rifle in a banner one and my car. Alright, you caught me with that one, baby. Which one we can give, man? Which one I know you are gonna sing again?
Not even that. Said nothing. Those are great now, but me know what I reacted, but
Which song that, man? This is one of them too.
You like me. You like me. Cool up, yo. That's alright.
it's another.
Remember when you never love nobody. I'll be alright like I always did. I fuck the girl like a Superman. You had the nail from a supermodel. Since she shaped like a cola model. I'll be alright like I always did.
Guys, that completes the video because obviously that one had tough. Did I get all my play? Did we both get equal play? So obviously we are a tie.
No, 2-1.
No. Oh.
Yeah.
So I won you.
No, me win.
No, babe, I won. Me never get 2-1.
Yeah.
You got 2 though.
Me get your fee after all.
Babe, we gonna watch this
and
back.
them not ready. After all and them not ready.
Me get you if it's some
No.
other one. I'm gonna.
You never get me.
We're gonna rewatch this and y'all gonna
You
tell
never
us
get me
who-
fee daddy one. You never get me.
So
fee.
you won?
Yeah. You never get me fee the last.
We'll see, guys. Comment
Superman.
below. Tell me who do you think won this challenge, and tell me what's your
Look,
song
come
that
on,
you would
it
have
was
to
easy.
dance to.
This and you would have won. This. Come on, like.
Really?
Come on, me listen to this song every day. See, me start bunks before you start playing the car.
What guys are?
Still early face from Putin, West Side Street to be no mobile.
Anyway, guys, that completes the video. Subscribe, comment, and all of the above. We'll see you in our next video. We'll definitely have more challenges, right, baby?
Sure.
Love you. Peace. We're drinking some sour beer.
Come on, get out of here.